welcome back to Super Slick Slimes. I'm Ella, and today I am going to be trying to transform this store-bought slime into like a regular homemade slime. So this is one of like those like Barrel IO slimes, if you ever felt that, but it's not that. It's like naughty or nice. I've touched it before, and it's like one of like the really jelly ones, and I don't really like it that much. I want to see if I can make it into just a regular slime. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet, but I'll find a way and hope it doesn't turn out as a fail. So let's get on with the video. So this is a slime, and it's like naughty or nice slime. So if you get coal in your slime, then you're like naughty, and if you get gold in your slime, then you're nice. And I get gold. It's like one of like these looks like liquid slimes, and it's like really like gross. It's like right like this. Now I'm going to show you a better view now. So this is how it is. It's like really like jiggly like this, and I got gold in my slime, but like all of like the gold off of the this thing. Like look, that's what it is, but it used to be like gold. So it's kind of like not actual gold. Well, of course it's not actual gold. And this was only like $2. So, and now it's getting my table all a mess. So this, I'm not going to be using like an actual bowl because my bowl's dirty, and I don't know. I'm just going to be using a container. Oh my god. This is not going well already. So here it is. And so now it's really gross. It like leaves so much stuff on your hands. So I think I'm going to be adding in some clear glue. Oh my god. I need to get some more. For some reason I can't open any of them. It's really bad. Now my sweatshirt all dirty. Well, so first maybe I'll just like mix it up. And maybe I'm gonna try to activate this and see if it activates a little bit. Because if it activates, then I probably won't need any glue. Okay, so it's activating. Well, I don't really know if it's activating. It's doing something. But you know what I thought would be really cool? I've never added this into slime before, but it's like loose powder, face illuminator or something. And it's like powder like that. I'm gonna like add some in and see what happens if it like gets a little harder and gets a little like metallic-y. It's already kind of metallic-y. But okay, so this is completely not even mixing into the slime. Oh my god. What to do? So, nothing? What? Nothing? So, I'm deciding I'm gonna add in some white glue because, I can't open up my clear glue. Oh my god, this is scary, but I don't want to add in, whatever. I'm just going to try to fix it. So I'm adding in some white glue. It's like completely like eating it up. It's so cool. So the white glue is like staying in one place. Like it's really weird. Oh my god, I hate this one. it's like all the white glue is like staying right here. Ew. Okay, I want to see if I can activate it more now. But it feels like it's just like being gross. This is already a fail. But I'm gonna add in some foam soap or shaving cream. I think I'm just gonna add it and see if that activates it a little bit. At least now it smells good. It's even worse than it was before, I think. Ew. It's like all stringy. I want to see if I can activate it more now. So very jiggly. It would have been easier if this wasn't jiggly. Well, of course, then it would be like a real slime if it wasn't jiggly. So. My hands are so like gross. If I like try to, okay, I like poked my fingers through the back because I can't open it. It's too much work. Okay, I'm adding in my clay now. Oh my god. Okay, this is not mixing. Okay guys, so this is the end result. It's really bad. I just like, yeah? Okay, I'm coming upstairs. Brian, can you just throw down some paper towels? I don't know, like 2? Sure. Guys, this is going in my bad slime drawer. Guys, look. Okay, thumbnail time. Okay. I'm putting it in my bad slime drill. Okay, ready. Oh my gosh. Fail. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, subscribe and like. And I'm in the bathroom because I forgot to do the outro downstairs, and the bathroom has good lighting. So yeah. Comment down below some slime dares for me to do in my slime and squishy dare video. Probably gonna be only slime dares because I don't know what dares to do with squishies. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!